If you only have 1 hour to devote to your personal development, this is going to be the best way to spend it. I'm excited to share with you your daily 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what is this? It's a power hour composed of 3 different facets. Let's begin with the 3. So the 3 is 30 minutes of reading. So you could read a self-help book. You could read anything that brings you enjoyment. This is really open-ended here. And then the 2 is 20 minutes of journaling. This can be a form of narrative therapy where you are writing down your thoughts and feelings of that day, or maybe there is a reoccurring thought that you feel like is stuck in your head like a song on repeat. So go ahead and write about that emotional experience that maybe wants to be expressed, that wants to be heard more. And last but not least, the 1 or the 10 in our daily 3, 2, 1 that rounds out that hour is 10 minutes of meditation. So you can go ahead and check out the Breath of 444 video for one technique. And I encourage you to set a timer and engage in a mindfulness meditation. So a mindfulness meditation practice is typically when you are sitting and you're relatively still, but if you move a little bit, it's totally fine. And you count your breath. You are controlling your breath and getting to a place where thoughts may come into your mind and you don't harp on it. You're like, okay, cool. It's a thought. You let it go in one ear, out the other, and get on with your practice. If sitting down feels intimidating to you, then you don't need to sit. You can do a more active meditation, eyes open, ideally, and going on a walk, still focusing on that breath, but getting in a more meditative movement state. You can decide to do this practice first thing in the morning. I find that it's really beneficial for myself and my clients in the evening because it's a tech-free hour before bed, so you are eliminating that blue light and having that time to really wind down, and you have your input of reading something that you enjoy or get a lot out of for 30 minutes. That's your 3. And then your 2, you have your 20 minutes of journaling, free writing, or you can start with a prompt if you'd like. And then last but not least, 10, your meditation where you get to integrate the 2. It's both a combination of input and output. All right, I'd love to hear what you're reading right now. Go ahead and put that in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and actionable tips like this. All right, and oh yeah, don't forget, check out my book, Confident Introvert. There's more where this came from. Okay, now. Feeling calm and grounded really sets the stage for that next level leadership power. And I would love to invite you into a very special self-paced container, the Confidence Boost Meditation Program. It's a 21-day, 11-minute-a-day program that you can actually get for $50 off because you are a YouTube subscriber. Go ahead to thestephaniemichelle.com/confidence boost and use code YouTube50 at checkout.